I think that knowledge, like art, is one of the greatest gifts that we can give not only to ourselves, but to future generations, especially when that knowledge relates to devastating diseases such as cancer. I think it's vitally important that scientific and biomedical research be a national priority. We know over time that investments in generating new knowledge pay many dividends, including, frankly, dividends that aren't always predictable. So the only thing we can be sure of is the more we invest in science, the more knowledge we're going to generate, and the more knowledge we generate, the sooner we'll be able to treat and eradicate devastating diseases. For decades, we've had an understanding that our colleagues in the private sector often can't invest in early-stage fundamental work because the timelines and the deliverables are too unpredictable for their investors. So we've relied on public support, both in terms of the federal government, but also philanthropic support, to help us do that basic, fundamental, mechanistic work on which really forms the foundation for hopefully eventually translating new knowledge into new treatments for our patients. The American Association for Cancer Research has clearly emerged as one of the world's premier organizations supporting cancer research around the world. They organize some of the most important meetings and symposia, including the famous AACR annual meeting. They also conduct a series of very helpful and useful workshops that are especially helpful for young trainees entering the field. So all of this helps with our collective efforts to generate new knowledge with which to help our patients.